Show me an adult with a wicked sense of humor and tons of social anxiety, and I will show you someone who experienced a little childhood prank trauma. Some say it builds character.
Siya nga.
That's a cute
Paano
face.
kaya siya umasenso ng ganito? Ate, ba't hindi mo kaya bisitahin? Ano naman mo?
Your booty?
Oh no, what happened to your face? You don't know? What took your face? What did he do with it? Take it out of Baba's booty! Take it out of Baba's booty! Oh, poor Luna.
Can you show me how close?
Nang maparamdam mo sa kanya na binibili mo siya, alam mo nakaka-insulto yun, Kian eh. Ano akala mo sa akin? Mabibili mo ako ng ganun-ganun lang?
Ice cream man's coming! Yay! Ice cream man! And that is the day that started Lori's trust issues. She would never recover.
Ay, hindi.
Saw something, but that wasn't a lion. That was a log.
He told the kids to be on the lookout.
I think I saw soap move.
What are you doing, Dad? He's sure to rip you to pieces.
Nang maparamdam mo sa kanya na binibili mo siya, alam mo nakaka-insulto yun, Kian eh. Ano akala mo sa akin? Mabibili mo ako ng ganun-ganun lang?
Phew! He's alive!
Dad's all the way up there.
Nobody gets an egg and
Dad! Dad!
The kids couldn't believe their eyes. Their own father having an Easter egg hunt without them.
Daddy didn't say no! He didn't say no! He's looking into the...
May nakabus sa akin bakla. Pinatulang ko na
Well,
sa
at least he
akin.
isn't eating them.
Hindi naman
Say
tumulan.
no! No! He's
Paano
eating
nga?
it!
Paano ka nagkaroon ng pera?
Nanalo ko sa loto pag ito.
Seryoso, ikaw, paano?
Early pranking is a